If your small business feels like a house of cards ready to collapse under a mountain of spreadsheets and missed emails, you don't need a bigger team. You need a smarter system. In just 7 days, you can move from total operational chaos to a fully automated machine. Today, I'm showing you the roadmap to take total control of your business using Bittrex 24's unified operating system. This is Bittrex 24. The picture's simple: one workspace that replaces the dozens separate apps you're probably running your business on right now. Collaboration, CRM, task and project management, sites and stores, HR, and automation, all in one place, all under one login. If you're running project management, sales pipelines, marketing, customer service, and team communication across different tools, Bittrex 24's pitch is that you don't need to anymore. Once you're logged in, this is where you actually work. Chats with your team, task chats, Copilot, that's their AI assistant, collaboration channels, even WhatsApp Business and email are built right in. So you're not switching between Slack, WhatsApp, and your inbox to find a conversation. It's all here in the same window. As you can see, you click into them and you can see all the conversations that you've been having, both individual and general chats. They're all here, and every task in the system has its own chat thread. So when work happens around a task, questions, updates, approvals, it stays attached to the task itself, not lost in a separate Slack channel 3 days later. Down the side here is everything Bittrex 24 actually does: tasks and projects, CRM, booking, inventory, marketing, sites and stores, e-signature, BI Builder for report, automation. This is what it actually looks like. Phase 1, days 1 and 2, right? You get your projects and tasks centralized. Here's a project, remote team launch project, right? It's 57% done. A project manager is assigned, deadlines are tracked, and inside a project, individual project tasks have everything you need. It's got the owner, it's got the deadline, the full activity history. When someone changes a deadline or moves a task forward, it's logged. So you're not asking who decided this 3 weeks later. The audit trail is actually already built in. Setting up a new project takes seconds, right? You pick the project type, choose privacy, public if anyone can join, private for invite only, or hidden if it shouldn't even appear in searches. And you add your description, put what you want in. This is where we type in what we want. You choose your project icon and click next. Click next. And then obviously you've got your members. You can add employees if you want. Click as many as you want and then just click next. That's simple. Project has been created. This is where it gets clever. When you create a task, you can hit space and Copilot, the AI, will start helping you write it. So the brief writes itself. You're not staring at a blank task description trying to work out what to type. And this is what your project actually looks like once it's running. Every task visible, right? Kanban stages. New, in progress, finished, who's working on what, when it's due. There's no spreadsheets, no Trello, no asking around. Just one source of truth. Phase 2, right? Days 3 to 5, the customer journey. This is the CRM side of Bittrex 24 and the part that matters most, the contact center. Everywhere a customer can reach you will be captured automatically. Email, phone, website, widget, live chat, WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, Apple Messages, Viber. Wherever a lead comes in, they land in your CRM instantly, so there's no manual entry, no leads slipping through because someone forgot to log a Facebook message. And here's the sales pipeline. New deals, proposals sent, documents being prepared, deals in progress. Every stage tracked, every deal valued, every contact assigned. This is what running a sales operation looks like when you're not chasing spreadsheets. You see everything in one view. You can see the sales automation. It's just so clean. It has everything that you need. And here's where it earns its money. Automation. Every stage of your pipeline can trigger an automatic action. New deal created, automatic notification goes out. No follow-up after a few days, automatic email reminder. Deal moves forward, right? Task created automatically for the next person in the chain. You build the rules once, right? The software runs the follow-ups for you. That's the bit that lets a small team punch above its weight. The software is doing the chasing while you focus on the conversations that close. So phase 3, day 6 and 7, AI scaling. This is Bittrex 24's Copilot, so built-in AI that handles the admin work nobody enjoys. Type in messy meeting notes, ask for a summary, you get a structured professional version back in seconds. Action items, deadlines, next steps, all formatted properly. You can hand it straight to your team or send it to a client without rewriting a thing. Honest number on this, most managers spend at least 30% of their time on admin. Meeting recaps, status updates, draft emails. Copilot eats most of that. The last piece is visibility, right? The BI Builder, real-time dashboards across every part of your business. Tasks, workload, sales trends, employee performance, workflow efficiency, custom reports for whatever you need to track. And if you don't want to build them from scratch, the Bittrex 24 Market has hundreds of pre-built dashboards. Free, ready to install, employee performance, sales trends, flow efficiency. Some of these have 12,000 downloads. So you go from guessing to knowing exactly where your business stands. And the pricing is sensible for what you're getting. Basic for solo founders, standard for small teams, professional for scaling companies with the full automation and AI features, enterprise for the larger end. For one platform replacing 5, possibly more, the math works out fast. Stop managing the chaos and start growing your business. Click the link below to start your free 15-day Bittrex 24 trial and transform your operations in just 1 week.